Alright, look, I'm holding it up by the cool handle here. This is just the newer version of the one I had before. So, you know, Lasko, it's a classic. It's the perfect size. You know, 2 settings. Lower voltage. You hear it, it's not loud. Not loud at all. My last one was like, it was done. It was shot. I mean, I had it for years. These things last for years. Lasko is the classic. What, are you kidding me? This is the higher voltage. Toasty. You know, you can make it move and stuff like that. It's on the bed because my floor is kind of messy. Ooh, it's moving. I never use this feature. Like, what's the point of that? Whatever. Maybe if I had it in a bigger room or something. And turn it up even way higher. Or you can shut it off. And like when it cools down, it'll automatically go back on. Like once the room heats up, like once the room heats up to the right temperature, this is gonna shut off unless you have it up like all the way. Push it over. Oh, doesn't have that kind of protection. Still going. So if that's important to you, I don't give a crap. This is the more updated, the model of the one I had before, and I had it for years, and it's great, man. All right, this is the one.
All right, this is the Lasko ceramic heater. It's a manual one. It does not come with a remote. The heat output is really, really good. Noise-wise, it's also very good. When it's plugged in, it'll be on this position, the lower setting. To make it rotate, you just click this down. You can do the option with the one, the circle is the off setting, or you can set it at 2. Do 1. Turn this around. This can heat up a large room easily. I really like how it's not loud, but mostly the important part is that it heats up very nice. You can do tabletop, on your desk, leave it on the floor. This is good for someone who does not like the remote control option. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So I really like it. Hope this helps.
So right now it's off, but the red light is still on. It's off right now. Cut it on. No heat. There's been no heat coming out of here. This is for it to rotate. It's not rotating at all. The red light is still on. No heat. Cut it back off. Red light still on. I literally have to unplug it for the light to go off. Plug back up. It's not working.
Afternoon. I'm sending this video concerning the heater I ordered. It is very, very small. It is blowing air instead of heat, and I desire to send it back. I do not know if I read it wrong or whatever, but I need something to heat a bedroom and not sit on the table and don't heat anything. So if you'll send me a return box and label, I appreciate it so much so that I can purchase something that is what I need to heat the room. Thank you so much.
This is my review of the Lasko ceramic tower heater. It is plugged in and the light is red. It has a low heat, high heat. Here's the temperature. Hot. And the oscillating button is on, so it is turning. If you want to turn that off. Puts out a lot of heat. I'd say it's a pretty good deal.
The Lasko Oscillating Ceramic Space Heater is a game changer for keeping my home cozy. It heats up quickly, it has multiple settings for comfort, and the oscillation feature ensures even heat distribution. Compact, is powerful, and quiet. Oh my God. When I say I give this 5 stars, it is amazing. Go out, get yours today.
And it smells like it's burning right now.
I plugged it up and it sparked and the wire got cut in half. Please don't buy this item.
It's working perfectly. Even on the low, the heat is hot, really hot.
Very small.
And this is the question, and it is good news that mortgages have